Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm still shopping. In case you wanted to know, I'm still quarantined. Today is April 15th. And I just thought I had a little break in the day. I haven't been feeling well. And I had a virtual doctor's appointment this morning, which actually went really well. And my doctor was at home, I'm at home, and we're just chatting about preventative medicine and like natural medicines, which was, I think, really dope. But I haven't been feeling that well. So I'm taking work a little easier today. So I thought in the middle of the day, let's just unbox some of these items that I have stored in my quarantine corner. Let me show you guys the quarantine corner. I am looking for a couple things in particular, mainly things that I purchased from Best Buy. All this stuff has been here for at least 3 days. So I'm gonna try to pick out, this says Nordstrom. This says Nordstrom. This has been here, I know, over a week. This says Best Buy. This says Neiman Marcus. This is not ready to come out of quarantine. We not ready. Like the cardboard is okay, but just what's inside, you know, I just wanted to marinate, let anything that could have gotten on that just evaporate. You know, let the goodness of the Lord, just let it marinate on that, and then I'll open it. And then this says Neiman Marcus. And this is Best Buy. Okay. Okay. So, in the land of quarantine, there are no Starbucks. Now, I work in an office that we have our own Starbucks in our building. And I would partake generally. And then also, let me just open the box. You know, the Starbucks drive-thrus that are open in Houston literally are creating traffic. I feel like it's too many people going there, and I'm not ready. I'm not. So my dad and one of my besties, Michelle, they are just out there making coffee at home. And I'm like, why don't I do that? Why don't I just buy a coffee maker? So if you're not up on deals and steals, everybody's on sale. The whole world is on sale. Whatever you want is on sale. And that included a single serve. Nothing says you're single like buying single serve things. Like, so this is a single serve coffee maker. And it also accepts or is compatible with K-Cups. They put Starbucks coffee K-Cups on sale. So I'm at home in the middle of the day. Let's try to make some coffee for the first time. I have never even refilled a coffee pot, let alone made a whole thing from scratch. So let's see how this goes. We're trying to have Starbucks at home. I do have some half and half. I have whipped cream. I have cocoa powder. Let's see if I can get this. See if I can get this working. What do I need to know? Where are like the fast instructions? I'm gonna try to get this going, and then I'll let you know how it goes, and then we can unbox some Nordstrom stuff together while I sip me some coffee at home. And I got the house blend. Let me know if you all recommend something else. But yeah, this is how quarantine is going today. Here and go, and we'll see how it works out. I'm nervous. I have my glass, my measurements. I'm gonna put I'm really messy. Like, I keep spilling all the water. That's why I have this towel. I spilled it the last time. Okay, do I take the lid off? So I'm gonna add some hot chocolate to it because straight coffee is just like not my jam. And I love, I have a meeting in 15 minutes. That spoon is too big. I love this hot cocoa, so add this in. Just 2 big chunks of it. Then I'm gonna add some half and half, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna top it off with some whipped cream. Stir, stir, stir. Okay, I'm going to just go ahead and unpack the remaining Nordstrom packages that I have so far. There are more packages on the way. I'm just letting you know, this won't be the only video. I have not shopped in 3 days, but you know, stuff goes on sale every day. So again, just like in the last video, I don't know what's in these packages, but we'll go together. We'll see together is what I meant. Okay. In one of the most recent videos I posted, I told you guys that I was using some luxury skincare. It's by Eve Lom, and I was using the brightening masks, and they're called the white mask. And I could not find them, but I was able to find them at Nordstrom on Nordstrom.com, and I ordered another set. There are 4 sheet masks in here. I use it once a week for hyperpigmentation, and I think this is a spa in a box. I kid you not. I recommend it. It was not on sale, so you know I had to love it because I don't just go out and buy things that aren't on sale. Another thing I bought was a sports bra. This is by Wacol. I like sports bras that look like regular bras or that are at least cute. And this one is high impact, like you can jump around, breasts aren't gonna move. I like wearing sports bras more than regular bras because my breasts are so big. I just find them to be more comfortable, and because lounge bras do not come in my size. They do not have 32G, 32H lounge bras, you know, just out there for us girls. So in lieu of no bras in my size, I got a sports bra. This is the black Wacol sports bra. Like I said, it fits like or looks like a regular bra, but it has snatched my breasts in here. Like, I am not going anywhere in this. I got it in a 32G, so definitely my perfect size. And that's what I love about the Wacol brand, is that they are here for the big girls, you know, those of us who are big on top or have an abnormal bra size. Like 32Gs aren't sold everywhere. I can't just walk into Target and get a bra like a lot of other people, but I will put on my top. But I wanted to show you how the sports bra fits and how it's so snug. There's no gaping holes or anything, you know, everything is just smooth. And if I was to run or jump, I would feel very comfortable doing this, and I will not, you know, hurt my jaw or break my teeth or anything because my breasts are like plopping up. no, none of that. I'm good in this. So feel really good in the sports bra. See, I don't know what's in any of the boxes. It's Christmas every day around here. I need to stop shopping and go back on my budget because you know what, you guys, my job is laying off and they could totally just lay me off. So I need to come to my senses. I don't know what the hell is wrong with me. I'm gonna do a video over 5 designers I'm loving that you've never heard of. And this is one. And the designer is called Stein Goya. And Stein Goya made this beautiful blouse. Oh, look at the colors. So Stein Goya is a female brand out of Copenhagen. And she makes colorful and pattern-rich items. And so I got this blouse. It was regular price $270, and I got the blouse for $100. This is the Stein Goya top that I purchased, and I am in love. When I tell you I'm in love, this is such a Stacy look. So I'll put the bag down, but how I would probably style this is with my Phillip Lim large pashly with the navy blue gold hardware. And then I just plopped on my Malone Soliers to go with this because I thought it brought out all the colors in the top. Yeah, I'm loving this. But let me put the bag down and then show you the great design of this top. So you could see the wider plaid in the body, but this beautiful transparent balloon sleeve. It has elastics, so you can make it as tight as you want, and I want a full balloon, so I have it pretty tight at the end. It does have a side button-up design. Now, I got a size large. I could definitely have gotten a size medium, but the sizing for this, and this is the first Stein Goya top or piece that I'd ever purchased, was a little wonky because according to the site's sizing, if you're a US 8 or 10, you should go up to an extra large. And as you can see, I got a large and it's pretty big. So this is the top, not pulling the drawstring at the bottom, but just simply tying the strings in a bow. But it is very big in the bodice. So now I love it because you can actually pull the drawstring and make it tighter, and I'll do that and then show you how it looks. And this is definitely how I plan on wearing it, and the vision that I had, where it would be tighter in the waist, kind of balloon out, balloon sleeves, a couple buttons undone at the top. I just feel so beautiful in this, you guys. And I also got this polka dot short sleeve halogen sweater. I got this in a size medium. I'll try this on after my meeting and let you guys know what I think of it. But I'm like, off top, I'm loving both of these. So this is the halogen polka dot top. I'm loving this. I think this is an all season, all weather top, especially if you work in an office environment like I do, and it tends to get a little cold even in the warmer months. I absolutely love the mock neck on this, like it goes up really high. I love the pleating on the sleeves. I love that it's short sleeve, so even if I wanted to wear a cardigan over it, I could. The polka dots are on trend for 2020. The color is perfect, especially for my brown skin. I feel like it's short sleeve, so it works in the warmer months, but with this hue that it has, it works every season because it can fall into the autumn and winter months as well. I paired it with an oldie but goodie Ann Taylor zip front tan skirt that I love to wear. You guys, I've lost quite a bit of weight in quarantine. Like, not going to lunch with my coworkers has your girl snatched, dare I say, when we go outside, when it's safe to go outside, when it's safe to go outside. I might be a size 6, which is my goal size. So let me just say that, okay? But right now I'm still an 8. And I just paired it with these rose gold shoes here. Love this look. Perfect for me, perfect for like anywhere you want to go. Very professional, and I feel very comfortable in this halogen top and pairing it with things that are already in my closet. And let's see what's behind door number 3. You guys, the sales are good though. Like, if you guys have found some good deals, let me know below what has been your biggest deal you found. So I got this long cardigan, and I know we're heading into summer, and I'll probably still be quarantining in the summer because when your president lets everybody else out, I'm still gonna be in the house. I'm just letting you know. So I got this beautiful color block long cardigan. It is by the brand CENY. I got a size large, and I love the patchwork and I love the color scheme. And as I told you, I plan on mixing like rust colors with berry colors and like purples and maroons and burgundies, and the back is all burgundy. And I thought this is a beautiful colorway, and I could even pair this under this. I'll put it on after my meeting, like I said, but I just thought this was like a beautiful combination. I've now paired this with the cardigan that I purchased from CENY. I don't really know if it's all acronyms or anything, but that's what the label says. I love how this pairs together. I put it with my Marc Jacobs top handle tote bag. I really do like this bag. I think it's a perfect complement to these warmer hues. So I'm just loving this look, you guys. So chic. You can go to church, dinner with your parents, you know, anywhere respectable with this, and you look like a freaking lady, okay? Just like a lady. And I know a lot of people wouldn't put the polka dots with the color block, but sis, do it. Trust me, it's a good look. That's what I got in this haul. I will try this on and have the little peeks in, but you guys, I have way more stuff coming. I know some things are coming. I have some things from Neiman Marcus coming. I have some more stuff from Neiman Marcus coming. I have some things from Nordstrom Rack coming. I bought something from my friend's boutique that should be on the way. I bought some stuff from Jay Bolin, the stylist, that should be on the way. So we have way more unboxings to go. So get some coffee, honey. We in it for the long haul. Like I said, I'll be quarantining through the summer. Don't look for me. When your president say go back to work, I'm going back in this office like I am right now to get on my 12:30 call. And it's 12:25. And this is my commute. And this is the commute I plan on doing for a very long time. So as I say in every video, be blessed to be a blessing. Girl Boss Beauties, I will see you in the next video. And it will probably be an unboxing.